So that is second problem of leverage, that is calculate DOL, DFL and DTL, that is degree of operating leverage, degree of financial leverage, degree of total leverage for the following data. Selling price per unit is rupees 85, variable cost per unit is rupees 70. The firms include fixed cost of rupees 4,50,000. The company sold 65,000 units during the last year. The tax rate of the firm is 30%. The capital structure is given below. 50,000 equity shares of 10 each, 5 lakh. Debentures calling interest as 12%, that is rupees 10 lakh. 14% preferences 2 lakh. This is a problem is given to calculate DFOL, DFL and DTL. Remember the format. Sales is 65,000 units is given in the problem into selling price 85. So we can get 55 lakh 25,000. So less variable cost 65,000 units into rupees 70 is variable cost, we both multiplied, we will get 45 lakh 50,000. 55 lakh 25 lakh 55 lakh 25,000 minus 45 lakh 50,000, we can get 9 lakh 75,000. That will be called contribution. The contribution less fixed cost we done, that fixed cost is given in the problem, that is 4 lakh 50,000. 9 lakh 75 minus 4 lakh 50, we will get 5 lakh 25,000. That will be called EBIT. So EBIT less interest, which is given in the debenture. Debenture is always interest is related to debentures. That is debentures calling interest as 12% of rupees 10 lakh. 10 lakh of 12% we can get 1,20,000. So that is 1,20,000. 5,25,000 minus 1,20,000 we will get 4,05,000. That will be called EBT, earning before tax. This will be earning before interest and tax. Less interest done, we will get EBT, that is 4,05,000. Less tax at 30%, always tax will be calculated on EBT amount, that is 4,05,000 into 30%, that is 1,21,500. You can calculate like this: 4,05,000 into 30 divided by 100, you will get 1,21,500. 4,05,000 minus 1,21,500, you will get 2,83,500. That is called EAT, that is earning after tax. Less preference dividend, always preference dividend related to preferences, which is given in the problem. 14% preferences of 2 lakh, that is 2 lakh of 14%. 2 lakh into 14 divided by 100, we will get 28,000. 2,83,500 minus 28,000, we are getting net earning 2,55,500. Now we are going to solve the problem of DOL, DFL, DTL and EPS. DOL is equal to contribution divided by EBIT. So contribution, which is calculated 9,75,000 and EBIT 5,25,000. So 9,75,000 divided by 5,25,000, we are getting answer 1.86. DFL is equal to EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT is calculated 5,25,000 and EBT is 4,05,000. We have taken in the values 5,25,000 divided by 4,05,000. We are getting answer 1.30. DTL is equal to DOL into DFL. DOL is got 1.86, DFL is got 1.30. Both we have multiplied, we will get 2.41. EPS is equal to net earnings divided by number of equity. This is a formula to calculate EPS. Net earnings divided by number of equity shares. Net earning we have calculated, that is 2,55,500. Number of equity shares, it is given in the problem 50,000 equity shares of 10 each. This is number of equity shares will be, we have to take to calculate EPS. 2,55,500 divided by 50,000. The rupees, we are getting answer 5.11. EPS per share means EPS per share dividend is 5 rupees 11 paisa.